Welcome to day 6 of Forex 101. I was supposed to be dropping videos back to back, but they've been a bit of breach because I had the issue with my gadget, my phone. Yeah, although I've not fixed it yet, but I'm still working on it. And I've been down a bit with malaria, but I'm treating it. I'm getting better by God's grace. So guys, this is 4:36 a.m. Yeah, 4:36 a.m. and there's currently no light in my house, so I've been up since 2 a.m. and I felt led to do this day 6 video, and from today by God's grace I'll be able to continue with the 21 days Forex 101. Now, day 6, don't complain, don't envy, just work smart. The Bible said that the race is not to the swift, nor the battle to the strong, neither yet bread to the wise, nor yet riches to men of understanding, nor yet favor to men of skill, but time and chance happeneth to them all. Everybody time is different. I just want we all to understand that. Keep putting in the work, don't give up, because if you give up, who are you giving up for? If you give up, a lot of generations are below you that a lot of generations are under you that are supposed to benefit from your success. Don't give up. It might take long, it might take longer than expected, 5-10 years, but please do not give up. This is a wake-up call to not give up. Keep putting in the work, and definitely God will see us through. For me, I've had a lot of experience trading Forex, and this is more like I've had a lot of experience trading, but it's never going to make me give up in this life, right? I'll keep pushing up. I'll keep pushing on to become that which I want to become and that which God has said I should become. Motivate yourself every day. For me, there are some days that I feel like oh, I cannot continue, but then again, here I am. So guys, the good news is that, okay, let me just share a part of my story a lot of you don't know. So on November 17th, somebody gifted me a prop firm account, a $5,000 prop firm account, good funded. Yeah, on 17th or 10th of November, I started trading it. I've been in drawdown, but guys, the good thing is that I passed it few days ago. I passed phase 1 few days ago, and now I'm in phase 2. That's like, it took me about 3 months. Even the Bible said, though it may tarry for a while, but don't give up. Keep working hard. This is almost 5 a.m. I've been awake since 2 a.m. I keep doing this, and by God's grace, I'll be there. I don't know how long it may take, but I know definitely I'll be there. So guys, please don't give up. Stay motivated. So currently now I'm studying this night, and guys, so stay with me while I study till 5 a.m. although I've been up since 2 a.m. and there's currently a trade I'm supposed to take, but I didn't take it because I'm patiently waiting for market structure to present itself so that I can take a re-entry. So guys, let's hop on the chart. Let me show you what I'm currently looking at. There's no light, so I might just have to use my phone anyhow. So guys, this is USDJPY. I've been on chart since 2 a.m. I knew when price was at this level here. Now, don't get this thing wrong. The overall bias on this USDJPY is a buy. I'm even looking at joining the buy trend. So this sell you're currently seeing here is more like a reversal. So this is my overall bias. So I expect price to come here and continue the buy trend. The overall bias on this is buy. So this sell is a short-term sell. It's more like a reversal sell. So if I'm to take this, I'm to sell it down to this key level here so that I can join the buy to the upside. So but when I went down, how was I able to spot it on the lower time frame? So guys, see it now. You saw that if you check this sell, you see that this place price started selling from, this upside here price started selling from. You see that it is a key level on the daily time frame. It is a key level. Yeah, so we have a key level here on the daily time frame. This is the key level here. This is the key level here on the daily time frame. As you can see how price booked it, indicating that sellers are on this trend. So I expect it to drop down. You can see from here that this place I'm looking at to enter this buy is a very valid order block, right? You can see the push up from that order block. So that's what I'm looking at to enter my buy position. So when price got to this key level here on the higher time frame, and you saw, if you go down to the lower time frame, you saw the immediate push down from here. Price took out this low that formed this high. Price took out this low that caused this higher high, and now it has this more like a market structure shift or a change of character, whatsoever you understand it as. So now I expected, after the change of character or market structure shift, this is more like a 50% discount, premium level, rather a 50% premium level. Let me use my rectangular to mark it out so you see that it's more of a 50%. If you look closely, you see that it's a 50%. This is it. So we know that for PDRA we buy at discount and sell at premium. So you sell that price is at the premium, is above the 50%, and it's a premium level. So after price is above, I had to look out for another PDRA. This move here, like this an order block too. This is an order block. So of course you can see how price wicked it beautifully. But I'm not taking my trade. I'm not taking my entry yet, because if you go down to the 5 minutes time frame, you see that there was an engineered liquidity. I saw where price was forming this, but I just knew that it was an engineered liquidity. What was an engineered liquidity? An engineered liquidity is price telling buyers or seller or sellers what to do next, right? So now of course we know that engineered liquidity, price will push up, taking out all the buyers or sellers sitting at that level to go back to either the order block or key level to start its impulsive buy or sell. As you can see, this is the impulsive sell coming down. So now where I'm looking at taking my entries, and now you see that here, this is the lower time frame market structure shift here. So I'm expecting price to push back up here to this 5 minutes order block, and I will join this sell now and ride it down to the downside. I know this is a big risk to reward ratios. My usual risk to reward ratio is 5R. So if price gets back to this order block, this 5 minutes order block, I would sell it, targeting this low here. So that is it, guys.